KidsHub AI Review. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Tired of complicated software and zero results? Imagine turning AI into your personal kids' content factory. Stories, games, rhymes, done in minutes, not months. This isn't hype, it's real, and I'm breaking it all down today. Also, I have got some extra exclusive bonuses worth more than $15,000. So what is the KidsHub AI? It's the world's first fully AI-powered app built for creating educational and entertaining kids content. From ebooks to animated rhymes, puzzle games to flipbooks, it does it all in over 100 languages. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or entrepreneur, KidsHub AI makes it possible to build a full digital product line with zero technical skills. Don't forget to use KDHUB3 for flat $3 discount off. Let's see the demo of KidsHub AI and understand everything about it.
As you can see, you can generate AI Kids music, audio rhymes, AI Kid video rhymes, flipbook, games. So let's check out the AI Kids music for YouTube. Okay, now click on generate. Also, there is an option button where you can select the category, like which music you want, like classic, animal, education, moral, devotional, festival, etc. Okay, and the number of music you want, like if I want to generate two music at a time. All right, and the mood. Suppose if I'm just selecting happy. Okay, now click on generate. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, all right, so here two music is now generated. You can just simply play here. The other one is here. You can simply download it here. Now this other one is AI Kid audio rhymes. Now click to access here. Baby girl. Okay, so like if I want moral, suppose if I want okay, only one music this time, and dark. Right, now click on generate. Okay, it's done now. Now let's play.
This song is all about your finger holding your Tommy thumb. Where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Next you
Alright, so you can download here as well. So it's generated here, as you can see.
The lost starfish. Once upon a time, deep beneath the waves of the ocean, there was a little starfish named Stella. Stella was bright orange with a happy smile, and she loved exploring the colorful coral reefs with her friends. One sunny day, while playing hide and seek, Stella got carried away.
Okay, you can simply download here. So this is how you can generate kid music, rhyme, video rhymes. Just suppose I'm adding on google.com as a testing. Just click and now click on next. All right, now click on download. Sweet, and it's done. You can see your ebook is now ready with the text. See the red text here. See, the link is here. And this is the kid PLR stories. These are pre-made generated stories. You can directly sell them to anywhere because it comes with PLR license. So this is the KidsHub. So just please try the app, and I'm waiting for your positive feedback.
I hope you understand how KidsHub AI does its magic. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a money-back guarantee, so if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out the KidsHub AI at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now let's see the OTOs of KidsHub AI. First, we have already seen the KidsHub AI front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is KidsHub AI Unlimited, a premium add-on. Advanced training, resale rights, extra templates, and automation tools to boost your children's content business quickly. Ideal for creators wanting to scale faster and earn more. Second OTO is Pro. Unlocks full-scale capabilities, unlimited content generation, advanced AI engines, premium templates, faster servers, VIP support, and resale rights, designed to boost your kids' content business and skyrocket profits. Third OTO is done for you. Unlock unlimited DFY accounts, loaded with proven money-making methods and high-converting assets. Generate $500 to $1,000 per day effortlessly. Limited spots available, secure lifetime access, and start earning instantly. Fourth OTO is profit templates. Launch instantly with done-for-you systems and built-in traffic tools. Enjoy hands-free income, 24/7 automation, and a battle-tested model, backed by a 30-day guarantee for risk-free profits. Fifth OTO is 10x traffic. Activate 100% free AI traffic automation to generate $1,000 to $2,000 daily. Drive targeted traffic, promote any offer, and run hands-free campaigns. No ads, no experience, just pure autopilot profits. Sixth OTO is agency. Get unlimited reseller licenses with high-converting sales materials. Keep 100% profits, accept payments your way, and let their team handle support. Pay once, plus receive 5 surprise bonuses instantly. Seventh OTO is reseller. Unlock unlimited account licenses with your own admin panel to manage customers. Keep 100% profits, full payment control, done-for-you support, and 5 surprise bonuses, all for a one-time fee. Lastly, the eighth OTO is a live workshop. Access step-by-step training revealing how to earn $160,000 per month using KidsHub AI, combined with secret traffic and sales platforms. Learn the exact system top marketers use to scale fast. Now, here are some of the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving from the vendor himself. These are other than my own bonuses. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. KidsHub AI isn't just software, it's a complete business in a box. You deserve tools that work for you, not against you. Start generating beautiful, profitable kids content in 30 seconds flat. Click the link, claim your bonuses, and take your content game to the next level. This deal won't last. Secure it now.